So hello guys and welcome to Java. Today I will teach you two different type of method. First is method that have no argument and have written value. Second is method that have argument and have written value. So I have provided this task to make you understand about this topic. So first of all, if you want to make a method, then we will make a method outside this bracket because it's another method, so outside this. So we'll make the method here. So first is the task is here. So we'll make the method here. So we just use public static integer method one because I use method one because it's just an example of method for first question. So let's say here write a method have no argument that return integer value. So example of integer value, let's say return 1. So if you want to prove the return value, then we just print it. System print line method 1. So we'll get the output one error. Oh, sorry about this. So we got the result here. Because it returned the value 1. And then for second, so let's see here. Write a method that have no argument and return string value. So another method we want to make, we just use public static because static is the default things in this method things. So public static string because we want to return the string. So method 2 here because it's just for the example of second question. So we just return in the string, return, let's say example, we use double quote in this example because double quote is referred to the string data type. So we just use haha for this example. So we run it, and if you want to show the return type, so we just copy this and here and then just change 1 to 2, and then let's see programs works because it prints two things, one and haha, because this one written one and this one written haha. So this is type of method that have no argument because there's no argument in this bracket in this. So we move on to the next method that have argument and have written value. So let's see here. Okay, write a method that have two arguments that return the sum of two integers. So we just use public static integer method 3 because this is the question. So integer a and integer b. So let's see here. Declare a new variable integer c. C equals to a plus b, and it will return c. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Just copy to make it easier. We just paste and we just change the number, and then we put the argument in it. Example 3 and 4. So basically 3 is the integer a, 4 and integer b. So c equals to a plus b. Let's say 3 plus 4 equals to 7. And then it returns 7 to this green line. So let's run. And we got 7. So for the last question, to make you more understand, right method have the argument that return the result of multiply. So we just here, we just get here, we just copy, and then we write the method public static integer method for integer a. Let's say an example, integer a, integer b. So make a curly bracket here, and then same things, we just copy and we just paste. We change the method 3 to the method 4 because it will call the method 4 itself. So let's say we just change the 4. So basically 4 is integer a and 4 is integer b. Then we just see integer c here. So c equals to a times b, and it written c. Basically 4 multiplied by 4, it written 16. So let's see here. So 16. Okay guys. 16 here. Okay. So basically that's just it. Thank you guys.